Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today we're going to show you how to replace a refrigerator water filter that you push a button to eject. You'll find cylindrical push button to eject water filters below the door in the bottom grille of a refrigerator. Cassette push button to eject water filters are inside the refrigerator in the top right or bottom left corner. How to replace a cylindrical push button to eject water filter in the bottom grille. Push the eject button. Pull the filter out of the housing. Remove the decorative cap. Install the decorative cap on the new filter. Push the new filter into the housing until the eject button snaps out. Run 2 gallons of water through the water dispenser to purge air and residue. Reset the water filter replacement reminder light. How to replace a cassette push button to eject water filter inside the refrigerator. Turn off the ice maker. Push the eject button. Pull the filter out of the housing. Push the new filter into the housing until it clicks. Turn on the ice maker. Run 2 gallons of water through the water dispenser to purge air and residue. Reset the water filter replacement reminder light. If you're having problems removing your old filter or installing the new one, check out our video on replacement tips. Save yourself the hassle of remembering to order the water filter regularly by signing up for a subscription plan at SearsPartsDirect.com. You get free shipping and free up space in your memory banks. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.